The simple answer is I believed a new story. I did the work by finding out what were some beliefs that were holding me back and what I needed to deprogram before I reprogrammed new beliefs. And I know it sounds really simple because changing your self concept is all about understanding who you are at your very core. And if you find something you don't like or you don't align with, you can rewire that. We know now that our brains are not static. Neuroscience uses the word neuroplasticity because our brains are actually very open and flexible to changes and new suggestions. I watched a creator here talk about how she changed her life simply by recording a set of affirmations and a new story she chose to believe. And she listened to that morning and night and throughout the day to saturate her mind with this new story. And honestly, I've been doing the same. And it really is that simple. But I know that it's not easy. And what I mean by that is sometimes the only person that gets in the way of you is you. Your excuses of why it won't work, it's too hard, I don't have the time, it's not here yet. As long as you keep asking these questions, you will keep yourself stuck. Instead of wondering why it will or won't work, just do it. Don't even give a chance for your brain to come up with the excuses or arguments against what you want. Know exactly what you desire, write it down or record it on voice memos, and just read or listen to that again and again, day in and day out. And anytime an opposing thought comes up, read it again or listen to that voice memo again. Make your mind and body believe that you are already living the reality that you desire. Stop asking why it is not here yet, why the money isn't here, why the person I want is not committing, why am I not changing? Stop. Stop keeping yourself stuck. This is also one of the reasons why I started a spiritual jewelry company. I needed a physical reminder of my purpose, my desire, my vision. And right now I'm wearing the 222 necklace, which is to embody cosmic love. So click the link in my bio to see other pieces that you can wear to help you embody the energy that you're desiring to manifest. There's one for abundance, for money, for love, for protection, and so much more. So click the link in my bio right now. Get your beautiful amulets today. We ship worldwide. Ask me any questions in the comments below. Follow for more, and I'll see you next time.